I'm going to say Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack you'll creep.
Okay, so I'm not gonna meal prep this week or food prep or anything, but when we went to the store last night, we got 3 bananas, bagels, let's see, yeah, and these aren't gluten-free, so I can't eat these. 3 apples left from where we went to the store last week, and some caramel, because lately that's the only thing I've been wanting to eat. So I did make some chocolate covered bananas. Yeah. They're like I don't know. I just cut them up small pieces, dip them in chocolate, and roll them in peanuts. And then I put them in this bag when they're frozen. And I can just pop out however many I want. But that's really it for food prep this month. This week. I might do more later this month, but for right now, I think I'm good on what I have. With the holidays, everything's been a little screwed up, so we still have some leftovers from Thanksgiving, and we're trying to use those up. And then with Christmas coming up around the corner, I'm gonna be going to a lot of Christmas parties. I'm pretty sure, because I did last year, so I'm not really worried about food prep or meal prep for that matter. This month's just gonna be a lot of slow cooker meals, I think. Okay, so I'm just getting started on writing out what I'm buying everyone for Christmas this year, and I figure I'll show you after I write it out. And these are not guarantees. These are just some ideas I have. And if you want to know what's on my Christmas wish list, I might actually show you that anyway. But so far what I have is I have Christmas list written at the top of the page. And then I write down the names that we're going to have to buy for. And I usually split those off into 2 categories. I do family, and then I skip a few lines. And then I'll do my Zumba people. And I usually stick between $5 and $10 on gifts. Sometimes I will go a little bit higher. And a lot of times my gifts are food related. For the Zumba people, my plan is a mug, and then a chocolate mug cake recipe. Like, I'll put the dry ingredients in a bag and put them in there, and then they can go add the wet ones when they want to make it. And then I'm going to make nutcracker sweets for them as well. And when I start making gifts, I will probably film that. And then I know what I'm getting my granny. And then I'm going to get my brother a grilling expert t-shirt. I'm not so sure on that yet, but I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to do. My mom needs more kitchen towels, so that's what I'm going to do for her. And I might add in a penguin ornament that I saw. And I'm going to make my dad a chocolate pecan pie Yule log. I cook for him every year because he's such a pain to buy for. And for my grandpa, I still don't know what I'm buying for my grandpa. I don't know, he's one of those people, it's kind of difficult to buy for. And I usually do the same thing for all the people in Zumba, because it's just easier, and I know what they eat. So pretty much peanut butter and chocolate is a safe bet. So that's it for what I'm getting everyone else for Christmas. Now I'm going to show you what it's not actually a Christmas list, it's more or less I write out what I need, and usually I ask for what I need off my list for Christmas. That way I get it, but I don't have to pay for it. And as we get older, instead of just giving us money like most grandparents would, my grandparents still go all out and get presents for us, so it's just easier if you tell them what you want. But I'm going to show you my Christmas list. Okay, so I had that hanging on my bulletin board. That's why it has a thumbtack in it. And for Christmas, this is just my everyday what I need list, but some of the stuff I will get for Christmas. I've been looking for like a long mirror all year. Mine broke last year and I have not had one since, and it's bugging the shit out of me. And I want a platform and risers for like a step class, that way I can practice here. I think I need a new space heater because mine's just not getting as hot as it used to. I need labels for my label maker. I'm still looking for a diploma frame for my master's degree, which is really sad, saying I completed that last December. I want a NutriBullet. I'm not actually so sure on the NutriBullet anymore, but I do need a blue sports bra, a yellow workout shirt, red, black, and white workout shirts. I want a green workout shirt that is not like a lime green, so if you know where to get one of those, let me know. Same as the yellow workout shirts. I need a black rain jacket with a hood. I need a black sports bra and a white sports bra. And then I need page protectors and long sleeve shirts. And some of these I will get, some of these I won't get, but out of this I will also get some other stuff as well that was not on this list. And I will do a what I got for Christmas haul at the end of this month. Okay, so that is it for this monthly prep with me. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have not done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below. I am uploading this is Vlogmas Day 2, so yeah. If you want to see the rest of the Vlogmas videos, subscribe down below. And other than that, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one, so that would be tomorrow. And bye-bye.